Hi, I'm Alan Chen. I'm the owner of the Green Gravity Gaming Company. I'm trying to make a tutorial of export Blender to Unity. Um, Click File. You don't use this one. Just gets too confusing. The unpack and pack. You just export to FBX file to down here. Or maybe scene game play export to your desktop. Uh, then close this. Open up Unity. Drag this FBX file down here. Sample scene. And then you can drag it down, sample scene down here. And export it down to Unity. What you do if you need to delete this fake character. Um, you don't delete the fake character human down here. I'm just measuring the size proportion from before. What you do is prefab, unpack, and you have to unpack to delete the human. Only delete down here, don't delete down here because this is the main file. This is the sub file kind of thing. So when you delete it, you finish. And so I finished my own tutorial. And this is my own sword removal game to travel around to remove the sword. And it's kind of like going to be a sandbox game that you move the sword several times, infinite times, kind of thing, or you just pop up by yourself. Um, so thank you.